a significant step against the growing menace of so-called digital arrest scams, the Supreme Court has directed all states and union territories to formally adopt and circulate a standard operating procedure within 4 weeks. The SOP provides for temporary debit holds on transactions that are suspicious and accounts to prevent mule account operations and cyber-enabled financial fraud. While acknowledging the progress so far that's been made, the bench said existing mechanisms require wider adoption, faster implementation, quicker disposal of cases and sustained follow-up to strengthen the fight against cybercrime across the country. Sambhav joins us on this. Sambhav, SC has made its observations over these cases of digital arrest. So far, how many petitions have reached the apex court or the lower courts?
Well, absolutely. See, it was an old issue where Supreme Court has finally issued certain directions, and these directions are important, issued by the bench led by the Chief Justice of India. And here the Supreme Court has directed the states and union territories to formally adopt and circulate within 4 weeks the standard operating procedure described in a way prescribing temporary debit holds on suspicious amount and the account to prevent kind of mule activities and cyber-enabled frauds. And the three-judge bench has said that while the progress report at this juncture is appreciated, but the mechanism already put in place require a wider adoption, faster disposal, and continued follow-up. Also, in a way, bench has asked the Registrar Generals of different high courts of the country to bring the grievance redressal mechanism to the attention of the court and, in a way, adjudicating authorities dealing with the freezing of the bank account. And the states and union territories have been directed to adopt E0 FIR mechanism in consultation with the Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center, and also the three-judge bench of the Supreme Court headed by the Chief Justice of India underlined the need for faster disposal of complaints regarding the freezing of bank accounts and in such cases of cyber-enabled financial fraud. And bench has also asked the IDC to issue necessary advisory and directions to all UPs, ministries and government departments. So,
right.
An order which is going to have a wider ramification impact is passed by the top court of the country.
Absolutely, Sambhav. Thank you for those additional details on the top court's observations on this. And let's move on, viewers, now. Now, opposition MPs have staged to protest